Do you teach Spanish online or in person? If so, this resource is for you. This is a Spanish vocabulary learning folder kit that you can use for a beginner level. Here you are going to find 24 posters with different topics that your students may need for this level. The first page is about vowels. So here your students can start recognizing how to pronounce the vowels properly. And they can start learning some simple words with some simple sentences. For example, A de araña, araña. And how do you pronounce the letter A? Ah, okay, you open your mouth. Then in the second page, we are going to find the alphabet. Here, the students can start recognizing more words that goes with images and the letters. You can just use a pointer for your students to learn the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can use a song. You can make your students, like for example, if you have some questions that, can you please tell me what is that letter that you can use to write queso? Oh, la letra Q. And what is that letter that you can use to write ojo? Oh, la letra O. Okay? Let me show you another. Here you have the names of the letters. So here you will find the proper way to name the letters. So A, B, C, I, J, K, L. And you can just you can use star to show them the letters if you want, or you can just tell them to put something, a sticker or a sticky thing on the letter that you are telling them. So can you please show me the letter O? Can you please show me the letter T? Can you please show me the letter W? You can use different activities to use these posters. Here we have the days of the week. You can sing lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. And you can do that using the parts of your body, for example, your arms. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. That's an activity that you can use, and there are a lot more. Here you can find the months of the year. Let's see, here we have the numbers from 0 to 10, so you can just count with your students. You can use a dice and just like, let's throw the dice. You can find that a dice, an online dice, and just use it as well if you teach online. So let's throw the dice. Oh, what's this number? Oh, el número 2, and as they already practice the letters, so you can just tell them, okay, el número 2, can you please tell me the letters that we used to write dos? O, D, O, S, dos. And how many apples do we have? Oh, we have dos apples. Can you see? Let me see, I will show you some of them so we don't make this video too long. So, the seasons. Oh, en primavera. ¿Qué pasa en primavera? What happens during this time? Oh, it rains a lot. Oh, mucha lluvia. En verano, oh, hace calor. En otoño, las hojas cambian de color. Y en invierno, hace frío. Let me see, here we have the school supplies in Spanish. So you can, for example, tell to your student, can you please show me un lápiz? Oh, un lápiz. Lápiz. Can you please show me what you use to erase what you write with the lápiz? Oh, un borrador. Oh, okay, borrador. You see, you can use different strategies. Oh, I have here the colors. I actually designed these monsters, and I had some flashcards that you can get as well on Teachers Pay Teachers in my store. So for example, you can use just the poster, or you can tell to your student, oh, what is the monster that has this color? Oh, this one. And what is the name of that color? Oh, rojo. Can you please show me something amarillo? Oh, something amarillo. Oh, el lápiz es amarillo. Okay, can you please show me something negro? Oh, mi pelo es negro. Okay, let's see. Here we have the pets. If you use this poster, you can use talk about likes and dislikes. Okay, ¿te gusta el perro? Sí, me gusta. No, no me gusta. ¿Te gusta el gato? Sí, me gusta el gato. No, no me gusta el gato. So yes, I like the dog, or no, I don't like it. Yes, I like the cat, or no, I don't like it. Let's keep going. Here we have the animals that live in a farm, and we can, for example, find the cow. You can, with this poster, you can do activities that are related to the sounds of the animals. Let's guess what is the animal that makes this sound. For example, oh, what is the animal that made the sound boo moo? Oh, the cow. That's the cow. Okay, and what is that one that does like I? Oh, el cerdo. And there is one that always wakes up in the morning or really early, or whatever you wanna say that. El gallo. Okay, el gallo. Do you see it? You can use these posters in different ways. Animals that lives in the jungle. We have the fruits, vegetables. You can use this as well to talk about likes or dislikes, or as well color. So what is the color of the tomate? Red. Okay, wonderful. We had the family members, we had parts of the body, so you can just tell to your students, can you touch your oreja? Can you touch, puedes tocar tu nariz? Puedes tocar tu boca? Can you touch your mouth? Can you touch your nose? There are a lot of activities that you can do. I will be posting this, but I have actually different resources on my YouTube channel and on my website that you can use to teach these resources. Here we have the parts of the house, food. ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? So, oh, me siento bien. Me siento bien. I feel good. Me siento triste. Me siento feliz. Can you see? Just play with them. Use them in different ways. Los verbos. So these are common verbs that students will learn when they are starting in a beginner level. So, oh, vamos a qué? Vamos a con nuestros ojos. O vamos a leer. Vamos a leer. Vamos a con el lápiz y la mano. Vamos a escribir. So we are going to write. Vamos a con nuestra boca a hablar. Okay, I have a video where I'm actually explaining an activity on how to teach some of these verbs, and that you can use for your class if you want to. You're more than free to use it. Just use it for your lessons. Enjoy the resources and just let me know how everything goes. And well, that's it. I hope you get it. If you had questions, comments, anything, just let me know. Put them down and I will be more than happy to reply to you. And that's it for today. I will be posting more activities that you can use with these posters for your lessons. And all you need is a binder, a protector sheet, printer resources, and you're more than ready to use it. Let me help you. You don't need to do all this. I can do it for you. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.